Being an author is surely compelling. There is a great deal of satisfaction in the art, not to mention the feeling you get when you see your name on top of a book. I'm sure you have everything figured out about the profession. However, there are a lot of minor details that many sources miss acknowledging. This is why we are here to give you all kinds of information about this particular career path, so you can choose whether it is for you or not. We will discuss the potential earning of an author, top colleges, top companies, the work environment, career growth, and much more. Let's start with the basics. Who is an author? In simple words, an author is someone who narrates their story in written words. In simpler words, an author is someone who writes art pieces of any kind, intending to publish them. If this has got you interested, then let's get to our next question. How can you become an author? There is no particular qualification needed to become an author. Some people find out that they want to be an author since the beginning, so they take up theatre arts or English majors to develop their skills. Some realize it afterwards and either get certifications or get it right into it. Either way, in all of the scenarios, you have an equal opportunity to crack it. Just read up and get started. That brings us to our next question. What are the top colleges that you can apply to? Symbiosis College of Arts and Commerce, Hindu College, St. Stephen's College, MCM DAV College for Women, and some colleges that are great for BA in English Honours. What kind of certifications can benefit you as an author? In this digital era, growing more qualified at anything is always a click away. Certifications like novel writing, narration, storytelling, book marketing, and fiction writing are a great start towards becoming better at the profession. After the certifications and degrees, let's look at the skills you need to possess to land a great deal. What skills you should have as an author? Skills like proper communication, research, language skills, problem-solving ability, and attention to detail bode well in this profession. Most of these skills are granted through training, yet some are based on your capabilities. Now let's see what will happen when you get the job. What will be your job responsibilities as an author? Divine editing, meeting deadlines, maintaining discipline, learning on the way, scanning your work, and assessing creativity are some responsibilities that every author has to face one time or the other. What would career growth be like in your job? An imaginative creative ability like writing is not going anywhere soon. As long as there are people in the world, there is a crowd. And as long as there is a crowd, there will be a need for entertainment. So if you get into this job for good, don't worry. You will always be needed. What will your work environment be like? Your work environment will be whatever you decide it to be. One of the most advantageous sides of being an author is that you get to decide how you will work. You can create an environment that is relaxing so that you can increase your creativity. Or you can create a strict environment to meet your deadlines. Wherever you go, don't leave your laptop behind. Now, let's look at the best part. What will your earning look like as an author? Like every art-based profession, there will be a struggle to set you up and make yourself visible. However, once you start selling your copies, there will be a good amount of cash waiting for you on the other side, with an added advantage of much deserved recognition. You can always start as a blog or work as a writer in established companies to support yourself until that happens. Now let's look at some of the dream agencies. What are some top publishing agencies for an author? Some of the most prestigious publishing companies like Macmillan India Limited, HarperCollins Publishers, Random House India, and Hachette India Publishers give various chances to newcomers to prove their worth. Don't miss any chance of taking part in a contest or showing off your work. What are some similar job profiles that you can apply for? If you possess the skills of an author, the world has endless possibilities. You can apply for various positions like script writing, blogging, copywriting, marketing and advertisement, etc. Do you have everything figured out yet? Comment your viewpoints below. If you have some more questions, you can check out a comprehensive full article on the same. The link is in the description. Thank you for watching. Check out our other videos for more information on various career choices.